Welcome to Cooking Land! Today we want to show you how to make a hamburger. The ingredients we need to make a hamburger: burger buns, tomato, lettuce, cheese, onion, ketchup. Hamburgers are an American food. They're made with ground beef and are usually served with cheese, tomatoes, lettuce, and onion, although there are many different kinds. The beef provides proteins, the cheese fat, and the rest of the ingredients are rich in vitamins. Because of how they're made and the condiments, you should make burgers at home and with natural ingredients. One burger coming right up! If you want to really make it, ask an adult for help. Remember, never cook without an adult. It's more fun and safe. Slice the tomato. Slice the onion. Chop up the lettuce. Open the buns. Place a pan on the burner. Put oil in the pan. Fry the burger for 10 minutes. I'm starving. Place the buns on a plate. Place the burger on the bun. Lay a slice of cheese. Add the tomato. Add the lettuce. Add the onion. Add ketchup. What a delicious dish you made!